While we all love cooking good food and also food which is easy to make, but what is more important is safety of food. I will tell you a very easy trick to make safe food. When you want to start cooking, you want to use some vessel or container to cook. All you have to do is pour some water, put on the flame, boil the water for a while, swirl the container with the boiling water, throw it out, and then start cooking. There are some very easy ways to create some very interesting greens to top on your food. We call them microgreens. They sound very tricky, but easy to make. All you need to do is take some cotton bed, sprinkle water. On that, put some seeds. Could be mustard, could be methi, and let them be in your kitchen for the next 1 week. You will see nice small shoots will come out, green in color. Just cut them, put on top of your food, and enjoy the flavor and the freshness. Ever wonder why the food cooked by our mothers and grandmothers are so nice and flavorful? I'll share something with you. Always try to grind your masalas fresh and try to avoid using the powdered ones. You will see the fresh masalas will always bring in wonder in your food. You know what is this? Lemongrass. We can actually have small pots placed in our kitchen or even in the kitchen balcony. Things like lemongrass, different types of mints. This can add a zing to the food that you're cooking, and because it is freshly picked up, it adds a lot of flavor. I would like to tell you, it's very important for us to ensure that when we are cooking, we must segregate the garbage that we produce. It helps our local authorities to dispose of the garbage responsibly, and we all should contribute in making a good, sustainable world for future.